Have you ever wondered why, whenever someone yawns, you start yawning too? It's like a funny little game. One person yawns, and soon everyone around them is yawning. Today, we're going to explore why that happens. First, let's talk about what yawning actually is. A yawn is a big, deep breath in and out. When you yawn, you open your mouth really wide, breathe in a lot of air, and then slowly let it out. Sometimes you even stretch while yawning, right? It feels nice because it helps wake up your body and your brain, especially if you're feeling sleepy or bored. But why do we yawn in the first place? Scientists believe that yawning helps our brains get a boost. When we're tired or bored, our brain slows down a bit. Yawning brings in fresh air and cools down our brain, which might help us feel more awake and ready to focus again. So yawning isn't just a sign of being tired, it's like a refresh button for your brain. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Have you ever noticed that when one person yawns, it makes other people around them yawn too? This is called contagious yawning. And it's not just something we see in humans. Even animals like dogs and chimpanzees can catch yawns from each other. But contagious yawning isn't about feeling sleepy. It's actually linked to something super cool called empathy. So, what is empathy? Empathy is when you can understand or feel what someone else is feeling. For example, if your friend is sad, you might feel sad too because you care about them. When you see someone yawn, your brain kind of copies what they're doing because it's trying to connect with them. Your brain says, hey, they're yawning. Maybe I should yawn too. It's like your brain is syncing up with theirs. This copying has a lot to do with a part of our brain called the mirror neuron system. Mirror neurons are special brain cells that activate when we see someone else doing something. If you see someone laughing, smiling, or yawning, your mirror neurons might tell your body to copy them. It's as if your brain is a mirror reflecting what it sees. This helps us understand others and feel more connected. So, when we see someone yawn, it's natural for our brains to think, let's do that too. Here's another fun fact. Contagious yawning doesn't happen with everyone. Younger kids, like toddlers, might not yawn when they see others yawn because their mirror neurons and empathy are still developing. But as we grow, we become more likely to yawn when others do. And interestingly, some people are more affected by contagious yawning than others. It's all part of how unique and amazing our brains are. Remember I mentioned animals? Dogs and chimpanzees are also known to yawn when they see someone else yawn. Scientists think this happens because, just like us, animals that live in groups also feel empathy. So, if your dog yawns after you do, it might be their way of connecting with you, like saying, I feel what you feel. So, why do we yawn when we see others yawning? It's because of our amazing empathy-filled brains. Our brains are always looking to connect with others, even through a simple yawn. The next time someone around you yawns, and you find yourself yawning too, you'll know that it's just your brain mirroring theirs and feeling a bit of empathy. And if you enjoyed this fun fact about yawning, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any other questions you have about the cool things our bodies can do. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.